Hello, Terry here. I don't think I've done a layout share since July? No. June? No. Oh, I think it was in June sometime. Anyway, these are mostly, well, yeah, a lot of the July layouts from Mercy Tierra's kit. What was it called? Sweet Summer? Nope. Summer Lovin'? I think it was Summer Lovin'. Okay, so some of them I have done videos for. So this one in particular, there was a video for, I believe. So I won't go into that. This one I did a video for. Using the, well, these were the digital die cuts that came with the kit. So I used that one and this one. So fun. And then this was, I did the tone-on-tone confetti on the papers. So I think this was an older confetti mix. I think it was from the Bloom kit though. But yeah. That also had a video kind of explaining what I did with the tags and whatnot. And then we get into, I'm trying to finish up the older Christie's Beautiful Life series. So this was series 11. Oops, I'm backwards. So this one was from day 30. From Julie Moreau. And I used I didn't write it down here. I used a scrap room kit from last Christmas. So used up all kinds of little bits of the 6x8 papers to do those layers in behind, but I love how it turned out. And then day 31 was a 2-pager from Sarah's Pretty Paper, and I turned it into, I just used that side. And again, oh no, this was a Just for Boys kit. So happy to have that one done, and I love how it turned out. So number 11 in the books. This was one I had started, I don't know when. I'm just in the process of putting together. Actually, I gave Jeff, they're from kind of further away, so I gave them a couple of albums with a bunch of layouts in it, and then I left space to put in the ones that I'm missing. So this is one that will go in there. These are using older papers. This is, I believe, Prima. Is that Prima? And then these, I think, are Bella Boulevard. But then I used a few of the new Simple Stories, well, from last year, and Bo Bunny, and some Prima Satin Crystals. This was, I don't know if anybody's taken the Vicki Boutin 10 plus layout classes, but this was one from last summer. This was the Spectrum Gardenia. I changed them up a little bit. Like I added in all these acetate leaves and what, and I think I changed a few things. So not exactly like what she has, but I love how it turned out. These photos, I think I've done it 3 times because I wanted one for my album, one for to the nieces. So then this one again is from one of the Vicki Boutin's 10 plus layout classes. This was the Vintage 10 plus, I think it was called, from last spring. No, I can't even remember, but it's Bo Bunny and Simple Stories, and I've changed them. I changed this one a fair bit, but anyway, I kind of turned them into 2 single pages that just look nice together. But so I've had these pages basically more or less ready to roll, and I just hadn't finished them. So I this summer has been awful for my creativity, but I just wanted to play, so I just kind of finished these up. This was a night a couple of years ago. We went out to that Van Gogh experience, you know, the immersive experience they do, and then we went out for dinner later in the night, so used up one of those. And then this one was from one of Vicky's classes from this spring. This was the Simple Stories anyway. And I think it's pretty close to the way she had it. I hadn't gotten to it until, well, 2 weeks ago. I dug into this one just because I hadn't even looked at it, and she did it a couple of months ago. So pretty close to the way she had it laid out for this one. It worked with my pictures, so I just left it. And they're from 2 different days, but it's going in the same album for Jen. And yeah, there's a little room here if she wants to add some journaling there or journaling here. So that's basically all I got done in July and August, other than the Mercy Tira August kit, which I have a video that I'm showing what I did with it. I didn't do the page kits for it, but I did try a little different technique, and I'm happy with how it turned out. I don't know if I'll do that every month, but we'll see. Anyway, that's it, boys. It's been a rough summer. Busy summer. I guess that's the way it is, right? Like, I don't think you ever get as much done in the summer as you think you're going to, because there's too much else going on and extra work outside and whatnot. So anyway, that's it for today. Hopefully I'll get back on track here with a few more videos. And if not, well, I'm still kicking. I'll show up eventually. Anyway, thanks for popping by, spending some time. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.